In this comprehensive video, we offer 4 ways for you to install an Android app from your PC. Part 1. How to install Android app from PC with Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. Download and launch Android Assistant on PC, and then connect your phone to PC via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the instructions on the screen to let your phone detected by the software. You will see the main interface as below once the program successfully recognizes your Android phone. Step 2. Click App User Apps. Here, you can view all the apps installed on your phone. Click Install on the top menu and choose the APK file from your computer to install to your Android phone. Please make sure the app you are going to install isn't malware or virus infected, which will cause harmful threats to your phone. Part 2. How to install app on Android from PC via Google Play website. If the app can be found on the Google Play Store, you can take advantage of the Google Play website to install app from PC to Android wirelessly. Step 1. On your phone, open Google Play Store and log into it with your Google account. Step 2. On your computer, log into the Google Play website with the Google account that you use for your Android phone. Step 3. Search and browse the apps on the website. Select the one you want and click Install. Step 4. Choose your device from the pop-up window. Click Continue, and here you may need to confirm your Google account. Step 5. A prompt will show up and tell you the app will be installed on your Android device. Part 3. How to install an Android app from PC to phone using AirDroid. But be aware that the free version provides 200 megabytes limited remote data quota monthly and supports file size only up to 30 megabytes when using offline transfer. Step 1. Download AirDroid on your phone. Tap to sign in. Step 2. On your computer, log into the AirDroid website with the same account. Step 3. Click Apps on the AirDroid web. The apps on your phone are displayed on the pop-up window. Click Install App on the top right corner. Step 4. Select the APK file on your computer and install Android app from PC. Part 4. How to install an app on Android from computer via sideloading. Step 1. Enable unknown sources. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, Advanced Special App Access, Enable Install Unknown Apps. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to PC via a USB cable. Tap Touch for other USB options on your phone and choose Media Device MeTP. Step 3. On your computer, right-click the APK file send to, click the name of your Android device. Step 4. On your phone, open the File Manager app and find the APK file you just installed. Step 5. Tap the APK file and install the Android app on your phone.